Hi guys, Sorbet Tech back with another video. Today we are going to be cutting open a ball. It is called a Total Control Ball 82. It could be used for any sport that involves balls. And so if you guys have any predictions what's going to be inside, leave it down in the comments. Let this video get 50 views. You can watch my live subscriber count live. And yeah, so let's get into it. So first, I want to take a nail and jab it through here. What's going to happen?
Is the ball now resistant? I think that proves it's pretty hard.
Okay, so
Now, just smash it with a hammer. That's one. Do 3 hits, and then we'll move on to the next. That's 3.
let's do.
Okay.
It's tough.
What's the damage?
Nothing on there.
Focus. There's the hole from the nail. And here are our weapons. Pliers, scissors, well, medical scissors, then scissors. We're not going to be using a fidget spinner to open this.
Okay, next utensil, fishing scissors. Use these. What?
Medical.
A medical scissors.
I don't know.
This ball is.
Something steel.
Got it.
Okay, now just before we cut into that, let's cut into it with the rest. Safety scissors.
Always the best utensil.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna try to cut it open a little bit, and then use that. Actually cut around it.
But we want to use the wire cutter too. That's good.
Yeah, but I need to cut.
But we just want to poke through. We know that.
Got it. Then
Squeeze. Make it a cut. Is it not cutting?
no, it's cutting.
Alright. Before we show them, do the wire cutters then. Not in there. We'll make a hole with them. Pinch it. Oh, whoa. Hey, that reveals what's inside.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut the whole thing open. Did they just see that?
A little. You can't really see it on the camera.
It's gonna explode.
Yeah. I think that would be good. Once we pour them all out.
Holy shoot.
Okay, wow, let's fold. Just pour it out now.
Oh my gosh. Guys,
Oh
look
my
at that.
God. Pour that out.
Is that, what do
It's
I
probably
pour?
lead.
What do I pour?
Pour it all right here.
What do we do with it when we're done?
Put it on the dirt. Oh, there's a massive
Big
ball.
chunk. Show them all that.
Where's the massive chunk? There's a massive chunk that came out of it. This is all If any of you know what's inside of this, post it down in the comments.
I'm just gonna
Put you guys down
two
for a second.
parts. So it's in 2 parts.
You can literally see what's inside.
This ball is tough.
Built to last.
remember, comment down below if you know what this is and your predictions.
Are your hands getting all powdery?
Nope. But I'm ripping this. That's what's inside of it.
Just the little valve.
It's like a little rubber.
The valve you can blow it up with. Show 'em that.
And then, so if you guys know what this is, oh shit! Comment down below.
I just broke the board.
Comment down below so you guys, yeah.
Probably shouldn't even be touching that.
But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, watch my live subscriber count, and comment down below what you think. Bye. Yeah.